You've had a wonderful weekend so far. You know, as folks are starting to clean up, it's starting to finally feel like fall too, and see that sunshine across much of the Carolinas right now. But we're watching a cold front here push to the east. There is a slight chance you might get a little sprinkle near the mountains as we go through the day tomorrow, really late tomorrow evening, if we have anything at all. We are talking about the big active storm, though, down in the Gulf of Mexico today. This is the latest news. We've got Tropical Storm Milton forming here in the southwestern pocket just south of Texas right now. It's going to continue to move through the Gulf as we go into the next 24 hours, possibly becoming a hurricane as a Category 1 as early as Monday, Category 2 heading into Tuesday, and then by Wednesday and Thursday, Category 3. So possibly a major hurricane approaching the west coast of Florida once again. This time, though, with the steering currents and all that ridge of high pressure action and the sunshine that we're seeing, that helps to steer the storm, we believe, right over Florida and away from the Carolinas, but it won't necessarily mean no impact along the Carolinas and Georgia. We expect to see this as a huge impact for folks on the west coast from Tampa through Orlando. That track right now directly through Orlando as we go through the end of next week. So we're going to be watching the storm and thinking about our neighbors down to the south as we track what will become Hurricane Milton. Right now, tropical storm and continuing to move in the Gulf very slowly over the next couple of days, but warm waters in the Gulf allowing for strengthening. Look at that beautiful dry air and the water vapor imagery showing you where most of that moisture is. Now, we did have some flood warnings last night. Unfortunately, again in the mountains, some showers, some heavier rain. We're looking at the drier conditions and finally having a stretch where we're talking about sunshine and temperatures that are a bit more comfortable with lower humidity this week. 77 degrees right now in the Triad, and you look at that hour by hour forecast bringing temperatures down into the low 60s. Temperatures cooler in the mountains, especially the western slopes, some low 50s out there. And as we go into tomorrow morning, expecting some fog. You see a few morning clouds too rolling in, and as those roll in, they'll clear out by middle of the day. You're back into the 70s with upper 70s to near 80 for afternoon highs. So it does feel very comfortable tomorrow. Highs today hit 81 degrees in Greensboro, 83 in Winston-Salem, 75, that average target high temperature that we're looking for, with 54 for morning lows. 95 back in 1919, and we're looking at temperatures at 61 degrees for early tomorrow morning. 79 for an afternoon high. A pretty nice day. Winds generally out of the southwest. Those morning clouds might look like they're going to be a little bit heavier and could drop a sprinkle. I think most of us are dry. Really starting to see that dry air in those mid levels. And you've got temperatures from 56 with patchy fog. Pleasant conditions for the afternoon in upper 70s. A gorgeous stretch here. And as we go into the mountains, we've got 53 degrees. Some morning fog for you there. And unfortunately, we've got the dry air, or I should say fortunately, with 74 for afternoon conditions. Now, rainfall totals over the next several days out of the picture for most. Maybe a sprinkle here and there, as we mentioned, but most folks are going to see the less humid air, whether it's from the Piedmont Triad with temperatures in the upper 70s to near 80, to upper 70s for folks in Yadkinville and Mount Airy, and low 70s with lower humidity by middle of the week. Temperatures in the mountains start to drop down by Tuesday into Wednesday. We notice the 60s are back, and unfortunately, we are talking about some lower 40s. So all of our friends without power up in Boone, Watauga area, or Ash, you're going to be a lot colder, and certainly down in Asheville too, as folks are trying to recover. We've got beautiful weather, though, stretching out into next weekend. Partly cloudy skies with a slight chance of showers that'll return.